Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 4th, 2025, and we're diving into MPLX's fourth quarter and full year 2024 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. MPLX has reported some interesting numbers for 2024, and I'm excited to break them down with you.
Great. Let's get started with an overview of MPLX and their latest earnings report.
MPLX is a diversified master limited partnership that operates midstream energy infrastructure and logistics assets. Their latest report highlights significant progress in their Gulf Coast NGL strategy and strong financial performance for 2024.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. MPLX reported a net income of $1,099 million for the fourth quarter of 2024. How does this compare to last year, John?
While the net income of $1,099 million is slightly down from $1,134 million in the same quarter last year, MPLX's adjusted EBITDA increased to $1,762 million from $1,623 million. This indicates improved operational efficiency and cost management.
And what about their cash flow and distributions?
MPLX generated $1,675 million in net cash from operations and declared a distribution of 0.9565 per common unit, maintaining a strong distribution coverage of 1.5x. This reflects their commitment to returning capital to unit holders.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. John, can you give us an overview of MPLX's segment performance and strategic initiatives?
Sure. The crude oil and products logistics segment reported an adjusted EBITDA of $1,123 million, up from $1,063 million, driven by higher rates and throughputs. Meanwhile, the natural gas and NGL services segment saw a significant increase in adjusted EBITDA to $639 million, thanks to increased volumes and new asset contributions.
And what about their strategic initiatives?
MPLX is progressing with its Gulf Coast NGL strategy, announcing new fractionation facilities and a strategic partnership for an LPG export terminal. These projects are expected to enhance their integrated value chain and support future growth.
Financial position and future outlook. Let's talk about MPLX's financial position and their outlook for 2025. How are they positioned financially?
MPLX ended 2024 with $1.5 billion in cash and a leverage ratio of 3.1x, indicating a solid financial position. They have $2 billion available on their credit facility, providing ample liquidity for future investments.
And what are their plans for 2025?
For 2025, MPLX plans to spend $2 billion on capital projects, with a focus on natural gas and NGL services. They anticipate mid-teen returns from these investments, which should support continued growth and distribution increases.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, let's discuss the earnings per share. Analysts were forecasting an EPS of $1.04. How did MPLX perform in this regard?
MPLX reported an EPS of 17 cents, beating the forecast of 104 cents. This outperformance is a testament to their strong operational execution and cost management strategies.
How many analysts were involved in this forecast?
The forecast was based on estimates from 5 analysts, and MPLX's ability to exceed these expectations is a positive indicator for investors.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, John, can you summarize MPLX's performance and investment prospects?
Absolutely. MPLX delivered strong financial results for 2024, with a net income of $4.3 billion and adjusted EBITDA of $6.8 billion. They returned $3.9 billion to unit holders and announced several growth projects for 2025. Overall, MPLX is well-positioned for continued growth and value creation.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on MPLX's performance in the comments below.